Hey there. I'll give you a quick run through of the Re Leased and Xero integration. So for the purposes of the run through, I will process a manual next rent invoice as part of the cycle. That process, in some cases, are automated. So this is just a manual one for the run through. I'm currently sitting in the lease at the moment, and we'll generate the next rent invoice as part of its cycle. Once we hit the invoice page, I'll take you through a few items that are worth noting. All right, so as we can see over here, we have a rent income invoice. It has given a invoice number, but this is on the release side. Once we have that successful sync, that number will then mirror what the Xero invoice numbering convention is. A couple of other items over here. We have the related property. We have the actual lease name. A few items on the description area are the accounts tax type, region, and country. These are all items that are synced from Xero and can be configured on the released rent templates if you are using that. Callouts on the region and country. These are both tracking categories from Xero, and they help map the invoice to the right place or contact in Xero. So we'll just refresh this page and make sure it's synced. Awesome. Now that we have that synced across, we can see the new Xero invoice number that has been updated, and we can head over to Xero and have a look at that invoice and process the payment. Awesome. So now we are in Xero, and we have opened up that invoice in context from released. So a couple of fields that have synced across is the contact details. We have all of the same issues and due dates. And from a line item description, we have the correct description price, accounts, tax type, and also the tracking categories have come through as well. So if we head up here, we can process a payment, and then we can choose the account we'd like that funds to go into and add. Awesome. So the payment has been processed and received. So if we head back over through to released and trigger a manual sync, we can then start to see that payment come through. Awesome. So that has come through. We can see the payment details here. We do also have the option from release to reverse that, but if you were wanting to have a look at the actual invoice details, you can click this and have a breakdown of that. Awesome. Thank you.